Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to resolve Xfinity stream error code tvapp-00148 on your Samsung TV. So this is just on your Samsung TV. Obviously, if you have another TV and if you're getting this error, you can also try this fix as well. Now, usually, what's the problem with this? The problem is that whenever you're launching Xfinity app on your Samsung, something glitches out and you get this particular error. So as you can see right here, this person right here found the solution. So I found the information in a closed thread. Give it a try. Turn on TV, then press and hold the power button on remote until Samsung appears on the screen. Release the power button, TV went off, then on, and then Xfinity app now works perfect. Now you can try this particular fix. This usually works in most cases. If this doesn't work, what I would try is I would try to factory reset your Samsung TV, and I would also try to reinstall or uninstall the Xfinity app and then reinstall it. Usually, in most cases, in 99% of cases, this works really well. This is because this is an Xfinity app error. Now, sometimes this error happens on other TVs. You can try pretty much the same approach on other TVs as well, and it will work really well as well. So that's pretty much how you can resolve Xfinity stream error code tvapp-00148 on your Samsung TV and on your other TVs as well. If you have any other questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.